Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Bullseye8231 and I'm going to be showing you how to change the blinker in a 2012 Nissan Rogue. So this is the blinker up here at the top, the orange bulb. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to reach in through the back right here and reach forward. So I'm going to put my hand in, put my hand in this way. You probably can't see, but you're going to twist, you're going to feel that bulb and you're going to twist. And that bulb's gonna come right out of there. Okay, you might have to twist it a good bit. It might be kind of tough. It's kind of hard to get to, but you can get your hands in there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna need a new bulb. So I got a new pack of Sylvans right here. This is 1157A. All right, so I got my 1157A out of the package. And so to release this bulb from the old socket, you're gonna push down and twist. You can see these little notches in the bulb. That is how the bulb secures into the socket. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new bulb in. Same way, you just push and twist. And then you're gonna take this, make sure this little rubber gasket's kind of loose on here, make sure that stays on there. It's gonna keep the water out of the light. And then we're gonna put it back down in here. Feed it all the way to the front. You can see the bulb coming through on the front there, I think. And once it gets secured, you get it through and twist, and the blinker has been changed. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Comment with any questions you may have, and don't forget to subscribe.